Okay, so I'm now at the Digital Sign Trade Show here, 2023, and I can get some camera shot around. Now, Felicio, you're already here too, right?
Yeah, I'm here already. I think I'm by the Azul booth. I'm over here by Spectrio, Keynote
Okay.
Stage. Yeah, I got the Azul booth right behind me.
Okay, well, I got to be like on the other side of you here. But check this out, guys. I've never seen this before. Harvey, Roy? Now, to explain what you're looking at when you're running this in SAM, okay?
Yep.
All you're doing is you're just doing basically the same thing, an MP4 video that you'd normally do. And you know how you do different for Felicio? Oh, wait a minute. You're on the other side of me. See you from there.
Yeah, I'm on the other side of that.
Okay, so this is Felicio. I'm on the other side of you. And here, I gotta get footage.
Yeah, here I am.
Okay, I gotta get footage of you, okay?
Yeah.
So, this is cool. We're part for Digital Sign Tech, okay? So this gives you guys an idea, right, Harvey? Rolly? Because you've never seen what it's like to be in a trade show booth with us, right? Just the volume, the number of people. So that's why it's such a crazy thing. So we got to keep all the organized. So we got salespeople in the booth. Now you're going to turn on the whatever the backpack, right?
I'll turn it on.
Yeah, it's one of the things we're going to do is showcase some creative usages for digital signage. Like, not that there's not a lot of creative usages. I mean, this is pretty cool for being transparent LED technology, right? So, BrianHenryDesign.com. So, you should probably get a hold of this gentleman, Brian Henry, because I know how much work it is to make that kind of install. So I'm impressed they did that. Oh, cool. Okay, so there it is. So visit booth 644 powered by Azure. So that's an example of digital signage walk around the backpack. How do you like that, Rolly? Harvey? Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to give you guys access to be able to upload some content to a few things over the next day or two. So that we can play with Sam. We can talk about how you guys, your operations center, will be able to use digital signage. Okay? So a lot of people don't know the scope of what we do for digital signage. Okay? So anyhow, stop this recording. I'll go around to a couple of booths, say hi to a few contacts here in the industry, and just show you some cool new technology. Sound good? Okay, stop recording. Thanks, guys.